Okay, boys and girls, today's video is to bling or not to bling. If you ask me, bling is a matter of preference and price. For example, a line sells their head unit for $175 in metal, but you would call this, just because there's different colors, bling. Which for $30, it's much cheaper. It's a matter of price. Another thing about bling is it's just like shoes, you know. Some people like wearing nice shoes. Some people like shopping at Walmart for their shoes. Me, myself, I'm more of a bang for your buck kind of person, but I also like quality. Alright, I gotta reset my tail since I put the new linkage on here. Rate mode. So another thing about my bling, I just say it's just me doing me. You know? So you tell them you do you, and I'll do me, and everybody will be happy. Okay? Always unplug your motor, man. Don't give yourself none of those excuses. Oh, I'm just gonna do this. Oh, it'll only take me a second. It'll only take you a second for this thing spools up and cracks your hands off. So, let's see here now. This tail setup, I found out, works for your 401, your GP750, your GP780, and your Spartan gyros. The Futaba, I think, is the 520. This doesn't work. You'd rather hover your helicopter in rate mode and slide this servo up or down the boom until if it's going that way, then you know you'll slide it up or back until you get it to where it's just there. Then that's where your tail needs to be. Yeah, perfect. Almost. All right. Perfect. Okay, you guys have seen me set up my tail before, so I'm not going to go into details today. Beautiful. Yeah, I know I got to stop smoking them cigarettes too. Once I stop that, I put on a bunch of weight real fast. Not easy. To bling or not to bling. Whether to suffer the slings and arrows. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to put this on too tight. Last time I put it on real tight, I could see the boom being pinched. But these metal holders hold really well on carbon. Yep. Okay, go back into heading hold. And when my wife comes home, she'll help me power my helicopter so I can reprogram my Spartan cork gyro. Thanks for watching, everybody. And these Champion blades, I found out that they only support a 2400 RPM head speed. They don't have the little metal ring around the inside of them, so I'll probably most likely be using them for mild 3D, or not even that, just some inverted and doing nose in and stuff. They're light and pretty. And then when I use my 45C lipos, then that's when I'll be putting on my stronger blades with the metal ring inside of there. Okay. That one. In there. Yeah, you gotta love these CNC canopy nuts, man. It's so easy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Yes, again, if you're gonna be out there with your helicopter and you're gonna be doing 3D and stunts and things that could damage your bird, you probably don't want to bling it out and make it look nice. All depends on what you're gonna do with it. I got my blinged out helicopters, and then I got what I call my beaters. Blingless, you know, something I just want to throw up there, and maybe I want to try doing some 3D with. You know, it all depends on what you're doing. Thanks for watching. Brother WC, a Wicked Clown, over and out.